To Itorotimmichael's math tutorial. Today we'll be looking at computation of function. Now, if you're given a function f mapping x to y and g mapping from that same y to z, you can obtain a computation of function called FOG or FOG of x written g of f of x for every x that belongs to given set. Example, the functions f of x and g of x are defined by f of x equals to x squared plus 1 and g of x equals to 3x minus 1. You define I, g of 2, I, f of minus 3, I, GOF of x and IB, FOG of x. So we start with the first one, g of 2. Now our g of x is defined by 3x minus 5. Imply that g of 2 is equals to, replace x by 2, 3 into 2 minus 5. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 minus 5 is 1. Second question says, f of minus 3, or f of x is defined as x squared plus 1, and f of minus 3 will be equals to minus 3 squared plus 1. Now minus 3 also presenting as minus 3 times minus 3, and minus 3 times minus 3 is 9 plus 1 giving us 10. The third question says GOF of x. This is a computation function written as g of f of x. Now from the function given earlier, our f of x is x squared plus 1. So we have g of, replacing f of x by x squared plus 1, we have g of x squared plus 1. Now our g of x was given by 3x minus 5. So we have 3 into, replace x in g of x by x squared plus 1 minus 5. 3 times x squared is 3x squared plus 3 times 1 is 3 minus 5. Now you have 3x squared, 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Now next one is IB. FOG of x. F of g of x. Our g of x was defined as 3x minus 5. So we say f of 3x minus 5. Recall that f of x is given by x squared plus 1. So replace x by 3x plus 3x minus 5. So we have 3x minus 5 all raised to the power of 2 plus 1. Now when you say anything raised to the power of 2, if you say a raised to the power of 2, it simply means a times a. So when you say f of 3x minus 5 is equals to 3x minus 5 all raised to the power of 2 plus 1, that would be 3x minus 5 multiplied by 3x minus 5 plus 1. Now this same thing as 3x into 3x minus 5. This will multiply everything here. Minus 5 into 3x minus 5 plus 1. Now 3 times 3 is 9x squared. This x here. 3x times 5 is minus 15x. Minus 5 times 3 is 15x. Minus 5 times minus 5 is plus 25 plus 1. Now that will give us 9x squared minus 15 minus 15 is minus 30x plus 26. Now if you want to look at maybe addition of a GOF of a specified value of x, let's say for example maybe 2. Now if that is our feed point, our GOF of 2 is defined by G of f of x of f of 2. Now, we have our f of 2 as g of f of x here is x squared plus 1. Now going to give us 2 squared plus 1. 2 squared is 4 plus 1. That will be g of 5. Same thing as 3 into 5 minus 5. 15 minus 5, and that is what? 10. Now, instead if you don't want to go through this GOF of 2, you can directly go to GOF of x. GOF of x is defined as 3a squared minus 2. So GOF of x is given by 3a squared minus 2. So we say GOF of 2, that will be 3 into 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 2. Now, 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 minus 2 gives us 10. That brings us to the end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe, share, and like the video. Drop any comments for further action. Thank you.